This is the definitive guide to resolving the persistent Minecraft launcher login errors. After experiencing these frustrating connection failures myself and thoroughly testing numerous approaches, I have identified several effective methods that directly address the root causes, and I will now guide you through each one. Method 1 focuses on basic application resets and permissions. Restarting the launcher clears temporary glitches, while running it as administrator ensures it has the necessary privileges to communicate with authentication servers. Clearing the cache removes corrupted data that might interfere with login, and updating Microsoft Store apps ensures compatibility with the latest authentication protocols. A clean reinstall removes any lingering problematic files, and signing out then back into your Microsoft account forces a fresh authentication handshake. Method 2 addresses network and system time discrepancies. An incorrect system date and time can cause authentication failures due to certificate validation issues. Verifying your network connection and disabling VPNs or proxies removes external interference. Resetting your network adapter and flushing your DNS cache resolve potential routing problems, while changing DNS servers can improve connection stability. Method 3 involves system-level integrity checks. Updating Windows ensures you have the latest security patches and network drivers. Installing the latest Java version is crucial as Minecraft relies on it, and checking firewall and antivirus exceptions allows the launcher necessary access. Running system file checkers and repairing the Windows Store ensures the core operating system components are sound. Method 4 explores verification and alternative solutions. Verifying your Minecraft profile and checking Mojang server status confirm external issues aren't the cause. Contacting support or creating a new user profile can isolate account-specific problems. Trying an alternative launcher or employing a launcher workaround can provide immediate access, while longer-term fixes are investigated.